What if a former president was convicted of crimes against humanity by an international court? Rodrigo Duterte, once one of the most powerful figures in Asia, now faces the possibility of life in prison. But this case is more than legal drama. It could change how the world sees justice, sovereignty, and leadership. On March 11, 2025, Rodrigo Duterte was arrested in Manila, handed over to the International Criminal Court, and flown to The Hague. The charge? Murder as a crime against humanity, linked to the thousands of deaths during his war on drugs. This is the first time a Southeast Asian leader has been brought before the ICC, and it's already sparking global debate. The legal saga began in 2021 when the ICC first launched its investigation. After years of delays, rejections, and appeals, the arrest warrant came in March 2025. Duterte was transferred within 48 hours. March 14, initial hearing. September 23, 2025, the confirmation of charges hearing, where things get serious. If the judges find enough evidence, a full trial begins. If not, the case could be dropped, but don't count on it. The arrest split the Philippines in two. Some called it a long overdue step toward justice. Others called it political revenge, a Marcos versus Duterte showdown. Protests erupted. Opinion polls show a 50-50 divide. Meanwhile, international media watches closely. Will this become the ICC's most defining case? This isn't just a legal fight, it's a fight for narrative, legacy, and international credibility. The core charge is a murder as a crime against humanity. Prosecutors say Duterte orchestrated a widespread, systematic attack on civilians from 2011 to 2019. They claim he gave orders, made public statements, and enabled impunity from Davao City to the national level. There's also talk of past admissions about the Davao death squad. But here's the challenge: proving intent, control, and system, not just individual killings. If convicted, Duterte could face life in prison. The ICC can also impose fines, seize assets, and order reparations for victims. The Philippines might face global pressure or domestic political upheaval. If acquitted, it could damage the ICC's credibility and ignite nationalist backlash. Can a country heal when its most powerful leaders face trial abroad? Does the ICC serve justice or spark division? For victims, this case means recognition. For supporters, it feels like humiliation. The truth? Both pain and accountability can exist at the same time. No matter where you stand, this trial will shape the nation's future, and possibly the world's. The trial hasn't even started, and already the impact is being felt. The September hearing will decide if charges are confirmed, but appeals, political interference, and delays could drag this for years. Will the world still be watching when the final verdict comes? This isn't just Duterte's trial, it's a test of justice itself. We've broken down the charges, reactions, and possible outcomes of Duterte's ICC case. So what do you think? Should he be convicted, or is this political theater? Drop your thoughts in the comments and subscribe if you want more sharp, fearless breakdowns like this.